Hello students, welcome to another lesson presented by the Learning Depot. You know that apostrophes are used to form possessives, contractions, and with very few exceptions, plurals. In today's lesson, you are going to learn about the apostrophe to form possessives. That means that one thing belongs to something or someone else. Let's begin.
Apostrophes are used to show possession. That means to show ownership, or that one thing belongs to another. In today's lesson, you'll learn how to form the possessive of a singular noun ending in S and not ending in S, of the plural noun ending in S and not ending in S, the possessive of compound nouns, and the possessive of two or more persons who own something jointly. And at the end, you'll have a chance to show what you know with a short quiz. Let's start with forming the possessive of a singular noun not ending in S. The general rule is that the possessive for a singular noun is formed by adding an apostrophe and an S, whether the singular noun ends in S or not, as in these examples. Dan's father, my mother's watch, a woman's purse, Alonzo's hands. When forming the possessive of a singular noun ending in S, note that you will place the apostrophe S after the full noun. James's best friend, the class's assignment, the princess's gown, their boss's office. When you hear the pronunciation of these words and you close your eyes, you will notice that they sound just like the plural. Be careful with this because many writers incorrectly use the apostrophe to show plural. Let's go on to form the possessive of a plural noun ending in S. When you have a plural noun already ending in an S, all you have to do is add the apostrophe. The dress's zippers, the dog's collars, the class's schedules, the student's books. Let's go on to forming the possessive of a plural noun not ending in S. These are irregular nouns that do not follow the rules for making the plural. Some children's toys, those sheep's wool, these men's shoes, the mice's tails. When you form the possessive of compound nouns, you place the apostrophe S at the end of the word. For example, her father-in-law's car, the Attorney General's office, the bride-to-be's bouquet. And finally, if two or more persons possess something jointly, you will use the possessive form for the last person named. Let's say your family owns a farm in the country. Since the farm is owned jointly, you will refer to them as such. Uncle Dan and Aunt Susan's farm in the country, because Uncle Dan and Aunt Susan own the house jointly. But if two or more persons or companies possess an item individually, you will put each one's name in the possessive form. For example, Tom Cruise's and Julia Roberts' films.
Make sure to go back and review the parts of the video that you did not understand, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below and I'll be sure to answer them. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you real soon. Bye!